In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Forms to Google Sheets quickly and efficiently. This process is not only simple, but also incredibly useful for organizing and analyzing the data you collect. Whether you're gathering feedback, conducting surveys, or collecting orders, linking your Google Form directly to a Google Sheet ensures that all your responses are recorded and organized in one accessible place. Let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to forms.google.com. This platform provides you with a powerful tool for creating forms used for a variety of purposes. Once there, you'll need to locate the particular form that you've already created or are currently working on. Simply open this form to get started. Next, shift your focus to the top menu of the form editor. Here, you'll see a tab labeled Responses. Click on this tab to reveal a set of options related to the responses you're collecting through your form. This Responses tab is crucial because it's where you'll manage how and where your form submissions are stored. As you look towards the right side of the Responses tab, you'll notice a green Sheets icon. This icon is your gateway to connecting to Google Sheets. Clicking on it will prompt you with the option to create a new spreadsheet or to select from an existing one where your form responses will be automatically captured. If you're starting fresh and wish to keep the responses for this particular form separated, opting to create a new spreadsheet is advisable. Simply select Create a new spreadsheet when prompted. However, if you have an existing sheet that you would prefer to append this data to, you can choose that as well. This flexibility allows you to manage your data in a way that's most convenient for your workflow. Once you've decided how you'd like to proceed, finalize your choice by clicking the Create button if you're establishing a new spreadsheet, or Select if you're linking to an existing one. And there you have it. Your Google form is now connected to Google Sheets, meaning each response collected will automatically be logged into the spreadsheet you've specified. This seamless connection between Google Forms and Sheets not only keeps your data organized, but also saves you time. It enables real-time updates and provides valuable insights through various features offered by Google Sheets like data visualization and analysis tools. By following these straightforward steps, you ensure that your data management is streamlined and efficient, and that's how you connect Google Forms to Google Sheets. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment.